welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to convert USDT to USD on Binance. Okay, so guys, if I get started on this video, please, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, share this video, and also contact me as a collaboration by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So now the first step of this video, now you need to head over to your Binance app. So now on our Binance, let's open our Binance app. So you need to tap on this top left hand right, this box icon. So after tapping on this box icon now, so tap on this convert on this shortcut section, tap on convert. So on convert now, you are converting from USDT to USD. So now you need to select your USDT first. As you can see, my USDT is the first, so select your USDT. Then now you need to select your USD. Okay, so as you can see guys, USD is not available for my country over here, but if it's available in your country, just select the USD. Let me just use USDC coin for example. Let me say USDC coin is USD, US dollars. So now just input the amount of USDT you want to convert to USD. Let me say I want to convert 5. As you can see, you see the equivalent amount. Now just tap on preview conversion. After tapping on preview conversion, now you just need to tap on convert, no fees, tap on convert, then this will be converted for you, as easy as that. So that's it. So guys, before I conclude on this video, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and also share this video with friends, family, loved ones, and even enemies. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, peace.